Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 16th February. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So if we start by analyzing options open interest data, you will see that option max pain data suggests that the max pain level has shifted upwards from 15,100 to 15,250 levels for 18th February weekly expiry contract. So if market was to expire around 15,250 levels on 18th February, in that scenario, option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. If we analyze the overall open interest data, you will see that for the 18th February weekly expiry contract, highest amount of calls have been written at 15,500 strike and puts have been written at 15,200 strike. So it gives us a broad trading range of 300 points of 15,500 to 15,200 on the index. And if you were to see what happened intraday on 15th February, the change in open interest data on an intraday basis, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 15,600 strike and highest amount of puts were written at 15,200 strike. So going forward, 15,200 is going to act as a strong support area for the market. You will also notice that call options that are now in the money, 15,000 strike, 15,100, 15,200, they all saw their open interest reduce. So it just confirms that option call writers at lower strikes 15,100, 15,200, they have basically squared off their positions. Option call buyers have booked their profits and option call writers, they have booked their losses. And I would conclude analyzing options open interest data by stating that for the short term, 15,200 is going to act as a strong support for the market. If we analyze Nifty spot on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers, that is above 13,758 levels. On the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers. And today, being a Monday, a new weekly candle has also opened. So today's weekly and the daily candle are the same. So market is also under control of buyers on the weekly as well as the daily time frame on the index. And if you see intraday, basically above today's open, we had a situation in which all the time frame, monthly, weekly and the daily were under control of buyers. And if you see the daily time frame in terms of price structure, we are now making higher highs, higher lows. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for 16th February, that is above 15,314. We can trade towards 15,340 levels, 15,366 levels, and potentially 15,399 levels. And on the flip side, below 15,266 levels, we can trade towards 15,243, 15,217, and potentially 15,184 levels. And prices in neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 15,314 to 15,266 level on the index. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for tomorrow are Indigo, Hindalco, Sun Pharma and Biocon. So these are all inside candles on the daily time frame. This is Indigo, second stock Hindalco, and third is Sun Pharma, and Biocon is the fourth stock. So you will observe that today was also an inside candle and Friday was also an inside candle. So whichever way Biocon breaks, that is if it trades above today's highs, we'll look for buying opportunities, and if it breaks today's low, we'll look towards selling opportunity in Biocon. The same goes for Sun Pharma, Hindalco and Indigo. We just have to mark on our charts day's highs and day lows, and tomorrow they would be our pivotal levels. So above today's highs, we'll look for buying opportunity in all these stocks and selling opportunity only below today's lows, and in between the high low range we'll not be making any trades. in these stocks. And inside candles, as you all know, are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 15,314 we can potentially trade towards 15,399 levels, and below 15,266 levels we can potentially trade towards 15,184 levels. And broadly speaking, we are in a 15,500 to 15,200 price range based on the overall open interest data, and the max pain level for this weekly expiry is at 15,250 levels, and our stock watch list comprises of Biocon, Indigo, Sun Pharma and Hindalco. And I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button and don't forget to check out the description section of this video where you can find link to all our recent blog posts. So I would request you to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.